Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. Okay, in this video, I will share something for my day, and I wasn't feeling well for a few days, so I had to visit the doctor. But as always, nothing in my life goes smoothly. Okay, if you think it was just a simple checkup, and you are wrong. Okay, watch till the end to see what all happened. Okay, so we left home early, okay, and had some fresh coconut water on the way, but suddenly something's happened on the road, maybe a small accident, and we couldn't go through the route, so I had to take a different route. Okay, after that we had to walk through a muddy lane, and that it suddenly started raining, and the journey took nearly an hour. Okay, once we finally reached, we had to wait almost another hour for the doctor to arrive. Okay, after that the checkup, we had lot of shopping and bought many clothes. Okay, there were really good things there, so I bought a lot of good stuff. Okay, since it was a very late, I returned home, so that was my day. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching.